Hi YouTube, this is King Buick, and just showing you that some snow fell here overnight. As you can see, cars are slightly dusted, but the roads are actually in pretty good condition, although it does stick to sidewalks and streets and grass. This is the first, I guess, major snowfall that's happened here in a while, and the forecast calls for some more snow to hit for the next few days. It's not going to be like the massive Snowmagedon blizzard that happened last year. But all of us, my friends and I, hope that something like that will happen. Anyway, so yeah, this is a nice, quiet snow blizzard, a snowstorm. There's hardly any snow falling now. It was about half an hour ago, but now I think it's stopped. So yeah, that's it. A snowstorm.